What if the biggest danger before 30 isn't failure, but becoming someone you were never meant to be? Aldous Huxley spent his life questioning society, technology, pressure, freedom, and the human mind. His idea can teach you something uncomfortable. The world doesn't always want you to think before yourself. So before you turn 30, remember that these 10 lessons. Lesson number 1. Think you are useful. The world will constantly tell you what to believe, what to want, and what success should like. Huxley idea reminds us the question those expectations. Don't blindly follow the crowd. Before you accept an idea, ask yourself, do I truly believe this, or was I simply thought to? Your ability to think independently may become one of your greatest advantage. Lesson number 2. Don't become a slave to pressure. Pressure feel good, but too much of it can quietly control you. Entertainment, comfort, food, money, and endless scrolling can become a distraction from the life you actually want. Enjoy pleasures, but don't become dependent on it. If you cannot say no to some time, it may already have power over you. Lesson number 7. Lesson number 3. Protect your attention. Your attention is one of the your most valuable possession. Every notification, video, advertisement, and social media post is competing for it. Huxley idea about mass entertainment. Remember, remarkable, relevant in world filled with constant stimulation. Don't tell the world. Decide what you think about all day. Where your attention goes, your life follows. Lesson number 4. Question what society calls normal. Something isn't automatically right simply because everyone is gone it. Society create habit, expectation and definition of success. But you don't have to accept every rule without thinking. Ask yourself, is this actually good for me or is it simply normal? Sometimes personal growth means what questioning the thing everyone else take for granted. Lesson number 5. Don't sacrifice freedom of comfort. Comfort is attractive, but too much comfort can make you passive. A life where everything is easy may slowly weak your independence. Learn to tolerate discomfort. Take difficult challenge. Make decision for yourself. Freedom become valuable only when you willing to accept. Lesson number 6. Learn to be alone with your thoughts. If you constantly surrounded by noise, you may never discover the you actually think. Take time away from screen, crowd, and endless entertainment. Read, walk, think, reflect. Silence can reveal things distraction keep hidden. If you uncomfortable being alone, your thoughts, that a reason to understand them, not escape them. Lesson number 7. Knowledge isn't enough. You can read hundreds of books and still fail to understand yourself. Read wisdom isn't simply collecting information. It's apply what you learn. If you understand discipline, practice it. If you understand kindness, show it. If you understand your weakness, work on them. Knowledge change your mind. Practice change your life. Lesson number 8. Don't tell technology things for you. Technology can make life easier, but convenience can come with a price. When machine, algorithm, and platform constantly choose what you watch, read, and consume, You may slowly stop choosing yourself. Use technology as tool. Don't become its product. The smartest person in the room isn't the one of which the most technology, but the one who remain control of their attention. Lesson number 9. Choose reality over illusion. It's easy to create comfort vision of a reality. We tell ourselves we happy, we pretend we don't care, we avoid comfortable trust. But growth require honestly. Ask yourself what you avoiding, what habit is hurting you, what relationship is drawing you, what dream have you abandoned. Reality may hurt for a moment, but living inside a illusion can cost your ear. Lesson number 10. Become the person you actually want to be. Before 30, you have enormous pressure to become someone impress. But impressing people isn't the same as building a meaningful life. Don't spend your 20s become a perfect vision of someone else's expectation. Discover your values, build your character, choose your direction. Your goal isn't to become the person the world expect is to be become the person you can respect when you're alone. Aldo's actually idea leave us with a powerful warning. The greatest danger isn't that someone will control your life. It's that you surrendered your freedom without even notice. So before 30, think yourself, protect your attention, question the crowd, choose reality, and never let comfort become your prison. I am Aditya and this is Winning Mind channel. Your life become yours the moment you stop living it according to someone else's script.